Yes. Now our today's question is accept a character and return what exactly the character contains, like letter, white space, digit, special symbol, etc. Means we have to accept one character from the user. That character you can accept by using the method call also, or by using the scanner class also. Okay, it's up to you that how you are accepting, but a better way is to accept the character by using the scanner class. Here I'm using this character by using the method call only, public. If you are using the scanner class, then you have to accept the character by using the sc dot next parenthesis dot care at 0, a capital, if you remember it. Public static void main, then one character I want to accept, so care ch. Okay, this is the input of the character. Now after the input of the character, I will check if the character is Now see, keep remember in the question accept a character and returns. Keep remember it is returns. Returns what exactly it is. Means this method should be written the value, right? So here you cannot write the void. Here you have to write return. Sorry, what type of the value it is. Okay, so return what exactly it is. So you will let me know that what I have to write over here. First of all, I am telling you that what I have to check. At the place of the void, here I will mention any data type. Okay, so what the data type I'm going to mention, you will going to tell me. Then here public static void main, how I will check this character first of all. So here I will write if ch equal what I will write. See everyone, I can have to I can write this program by using two ways. First of all, I can use the ASCII value of the characters. Okay, letter, alphabet, and digits, and I will check it. I will compare by that. Or I can use the predefined methods. So here I'm showing you this program by using the predefined method of the character wrapper class. Okay, so here I'm writing ch equal. Here I will write character ch character character dot, first is what, letter means is letter. Is letter is the method is going to return true or false if the given character is any alphabet. Okay, which variable I have to check? ch. Like that I'm going to write. Is letter, you have to mention, you have to make it important. Is letter is the predefined method of the character wrapper class. Okay, used to check or return true or false. Return true if letter, if you can write it, if given character is, if given character is letter or false. Okay, if it is not letter. Okay, it is the predefined method. Okay, is letter of what? It is the character wrapper class. Which wrapper class? Character is the wrapper class. Okay, character wrapper class. Here I'm writing character wrapper, WA wrapper, character wrapper class. This is your character wrapper class. Okay. If this character is, so what you are going to return? Obviously your method should display what it should display. Display or what? So here you can write return one extra variable you can declare, or in the double quotes you can write return letter. Okay, so this is what it is going to be returned. This message means what? String. So at the place of the void, what can I write? String. Okay, return type is string. Okay, then the second condition. Second condition I will check here. Else if same character dot, but at the place of is letter, what I have to check now? White space. So white space is also one of the predefined method. WHITE white space. Okay, is white space. I think W is capital, is white space. Okay, so if the given letter will be white space, so it's going to return true. Otherwise, it's going to return false. Okay, so if this condition will be true, then it will return. The message is going to be returned. That message will be white space. Okay, write this program with me in your computer notebook. Then third is what? Digit. So here again third condition else if character dot is digit, D capital is digit. If the given character is the digit, so here I will write this method is going to return digit. Okay, then special symbol. Now if the given character will not be the letter, will not be the white space, will not be the digit, then obviously it must be special symbol. So else return special symbol. Okay, like that. Now you can call this method in another one of the method by making the object, but as I have declared is the static, so no need to create the object. So directly we can write it. See, by the method call we are accepting the value, so by the same method call window we can check the output. See how I can check. Compile, then I'm executing it. A string character. Obviously, when the method call window, I will give the character. So this character should be enclosed in the single quote. So in the single quote, suppose I'm giving J. Okay. Then click on OK. See that method called result. Like that in the method call window, we are giving the input. Same here, if you are not having system.out.println and method is returning something, so method called result window will appear to you. Okay, then see that string letter. This is your output. Okay, now if I am giving here digit in the single quote, keep remember always use the single quote for the character literals. 7. Okay, now say digit. Okay, then again I'm giving any special symbol. Suppose star. Okay, then special symbol. Now I'm giving white space. Space, single quote close. White space. Okay, understood? Now again, I'm explaining this program. See that carefully. Here I have used the character wrapper class. This is the character wrapper class. All the primitive data type are having the wrapper class. It is already defined class. Like the scanner class is already defined in the utility or the util package. Same this character class is already defined in the java.lang package. Okay, this is the wrapper class defined in java.lang package. Okay, and this package is by default invoked in your program, so there is no need to use the import.java.lang. By default in each and every program this package is imported. Okay, now character, this is the way that how you will check character wrapper class, and the method, predefined method of the character wrapper class is letter. So is letter is going to check whether the given character is letter or not. If it is the letter, then it return true, otherwise it return false. So if the given character will be like I have given the capital J, okay, or the small j, so this condition is going to be written true. Then when it is a true, then this statement is going to be written what? Letter. This is the message that is going to be displayed in the method call window, method called result window. If the condition will be false, so it's going to check the second condition. In the second condition, we are checking that if the character is white space. So white space is white space is the predefined method of the wrapper class. Same as its name shows, it returns true if the given character is white space, otherwise it returns false. Okay. Is digit is the method used to check given character is the digit or not a digit. If it is the digit, then it will return true, otherwise false. If the condition will be true, it returning the true, then it execute the return is digits. Okay, otherwise, if the given letter will not be the letter, will not be the white space, will not be the digit, then obviously it will be your special symbol. Okay, understood?